taking this ghastly risk is the condition of their being life. You see, for all, the life is an act of faith and an act of gamble. The moment you take a step, you do so on an act of faith because you don't really know that the floor is not going to give under your feet. The moment you take a journey, what an act of faith. The moment you enter into any kind of human undertaking in relationship, what an act of faith. See, you've given yourself up. But this is the most powerful thing that can be done. Surrender. See, and love is an act of surrender to another person. Total abandonment. I give myself to you.
Lost in your love, your love, your love, your love. Lost in your love. I wanna let you know that I would let go of it all, if only to make you whole. I would not let you go. You don't have to do this alone. I promise to make you whole. Lost in your love, your love, your love, your love. Lost in your
Nobody knows where this journey will take us, but if we don't go, if we don't take that leap of faith, we'll never know.
See, this life isn't about playing it safe. This life isn't about doing what everyone else tells you is right, or following in someone else's footsteps.
It's about taking every leap we can towards our dreams. Otherwise, what are we really living for?
Someone else's schemes?
Are we really going to go about our lives simply trying to get by, or will we wake up and realize the time is now to start thriving?
The time is now to follow our hearts, to walk that path you've been longing for, even if it means taking a risk.
Even if it means letting go of everything, for we already have everything we need to create new realities.
This is your life.
The time is now to design your destiny.
The time is now to live it.